loss is a natural process of the human body occurring during the hair growth cycle. Most human hair has an average growth rate of about ½ inch per month. However, factors such as genetics, gender, age, and hormonal fluctuations can alter hair growth rate. How much hair shedding is normal? The average head has around 100,000 strands of hair. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, it's normal for adult women and men to shed an average of 50 to 100 hairs per day. Excessive hair shedding is an issue, but it should not be confused with hair loss, where hair actually ceases to grow and replenish shed hair. Alopecia is a medical term for partial or complete absence of hair, where it should normally grow. The most common form of alopecia is androgenic alopecia, which can affect men and women at any age. Why does thinning hair matter? Many studies have shown that as the condition of our hair deteriorates, it can be extremely upsetting, causing embarrassment and emotional stress. Hair loss can take a significant toll on our confidence and on our sense of self. 90% of those questioned said that their hair helps define who they are or is an important part of their overall look. 84% of those questions said when their hair looks good, they have a spring in their step, know it and work it and feel invincible. 59% of those questions said their hair thinning or loss has made them feel less confident, sad, self-conscious, and worried.